Hello guys, this is Sukhuda Kotak this side from the EduCARE. Welcome back to our channel for daily current affair videos. आज डिस्कस करेंगे करंट अफेयर्स ऑफ 22nd September 2022. Before starting with the current affairs for the day, don't forget to follow our channel Be EduCare Official on Instagram. Prime Minister Narendra Modi receives a copy of Braille version of Assamese Dictionary. This was received from Hemkosh from Janta Barua. The Prime Minister also complimented Jayanta Barua and his team for their efforts in the Braille version of the Assamese Dictionary. Hemkosh was among the earliest Assamese dictionary that date back to the 19th century. On this occasion, the Chief Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Swarna, and Ports, Shipping and Water Minister Sarbanta Sonowal and others were also present. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to inaugurate National Conference of Environment Ministers in Gujarat. The National Conference of Environment Ministers in Gujarat is being held to create further synergy amongst the central and the state governments of the country in formulating better policies on various issues. The conference will be for 2 days, September 23 and 24, and will have 6 sessions. 230 whales beached in Australia. This was a mass stranding which was seen in Tasmania. Reportedly, the whales were discovered in the Macquarie Harbour. It is the same location where the country's worst stranding occurred exactly 2 years ago. Half of the whales of the beach appeared to be live. The reason behind the stranding is still unknown. India wins UN Award for India Hypertension Control Initiative under the National Health Mission, which saw 3.4 million hypertensive people that were put on treatment as various government health facilities. Apart from that, this was announced by the Health Minister Mansukh Maidavya in a tweet that the 2022 UN Integracy Task Force and WHO Special Program on Primary Healthcare Award was announced at the UN General Assembly side event at New York, USA, where India won this particular award. PM Narendra Modi chairs the meeting of Board of Trustees of PM CARES Fund, where Ratan Tata and Sudha Murthy were joined as trustees. Apart from that, former Deputy Lok Sabha Speaker Kariya Munda also joined as a trustee of the PM CARE Fund. A meeting of trustees was held where the newly appointed members and other trustees, Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman were also present. The meeting was presided over by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Coming on to the daily current affair quiz, the first question for the day is, as per the recent Asian Development Outlook update, what is the 22-23 growth projection for India's economy? The next question for the day is, IHCI is a hypertension control initiative launched by which country? Third question for the day is, which union ministry is associated with Criminal Procedure Identification Bill? Please mention your answers in the comment box below. The person who is giving a correct answer will be given a shout out in the next upcoming video. Coming on towards the question asked in the previous video, the first question was, which Indian city is the host of Global FinTech Conference in the year 2022? The correct answer is Mumbai. Next question was, which state has launched a web portal named CM Da Hesi, that is Inform to CM? Correct answer is Manipur. Astana is the capital of which country? Correct answer is Kazakhstan. That's it, guys. Don't forget that Be EduCare is conducting a weekly current affair quiz contest where one winner will get an opportunity to win an Amazon voucher worth ₹100 every week. You just have to answer the daily current affair quiz in the comment box below and you will get an opportunity to win this amazing Amazon voucher. That's it, guys. Stay connected to our channel for more current affair videos. Please pass this videos and share this video to other aspirants also. For classroom recorded lecture books and ebooks facilities, you can contact on the number which you can see on your screens.